Hello there, welcome back to Exploit YouTube channel. And today we are going to do something quite different. Today we are going to log in into Ericsson BB and maneuver few commands as we take a configuration file, that is the backup that we'll use to restore to load to another BB that I will use to restore this site, because the BB already that is the BB that I'm logging in has an issue. So I'll be using the CV file to restore the new, or to load it to the new BB. Without further much ado, let's launch our Cygwin terminal. Cygwin terminal is the terminal that will be used. We are going to use to connect to the BB. As it is opening, let me confirm something from here. I think I had changed my IP addresses, so let me check whether they are still okay. But before that, yeah, the Ethernet network sharing has just popped up. Let us just confirm the IP addresses whether they are okay. Hit properties, IP version 4. And as you can see, I got the 169.254.2.1 in the subnet mask and the default gateway. The default gateway is the IP that we are going to use to log in into the BB using the Mo shell. And without far much ado, let's get going. So the syntax is very simple. You just type Mo shell and the IP address, the default gateway 169.254.2.2 and hit enter. Just wait for it to try to connect. Just give it some time. Yeah, it do take some time to go through to enable you to log in. It's checking the IP contact, and if there is an error with the IP, it will tell you it's not okay. If the IP address are okay, as you can see, they are okay. Now we are a few steps away from logging in, and that you have been prompted with that menu. You can view the basic commands, other more commands, PM's command, and so and quit command. So because we got a limited time, so let's just do what we are supposed to be doing in this site, and in details I will be uploading another video that will be in detail concerning the Ericsson baseband. So the first login thing that you need to do is to LT all, so that you can, okay, it's like you are interrogating the database too of the BB. So you'll be prompted by username. Just do RBS is the username and the password is RBS. Hit enter. Wait for it to authenticate, and after authentication you'll be into the BB, and you'll be able to view the CV file that is already on configured. You can be able to view the alarms and so many things. You can even view you can do SD cell to see whether the cells are up or down. Now, as you can see, now we are logged into this particular site on a 3G, which is the W base. So now we want to see the CV file, which is already inside. So we do CV ls, that's the command that will show you the configuration files on the site. As you can see, the latest one is this 20. So they go in that hierarchy. The one with the highest number is the latest one. So there is this CV preview deal, and there this one here. So I'll be taking the number 20 because the last two were done up, okay, after this the BB failed. So let me copy this one and do CV get and paste the what the content that we have just copied and paste. Click enter and wait for the process to continue. You'll be prompted, are you sure you want to take this backup? Of course you need the backup. Click yes and hit enter. Click why I mean and hit enter and wait for it to finalize taking the backup. Starting the SSD on port, blah blah blah. Okay, SSD is secure shell. Yeah, is okay, just a secure shell. It's used to log in into equipment via the secure shell SSH. So the backup is already taken. As you can see, successfully export the XP blah 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 to home user motion config file. So if you go to the to our machine in this forward directory, you will get this file there. So if you want to check the available alarms on that particular site, you just do alt and just hit enter. It will show you all the alarms that are there on site. If you want to see whether the cells are up, just do st cell and hit enter. They are all unlocked here, but okay, the status they are unlocked and zero are disabled. So meaning that if one is unlocked and zero is disabled, it means that they are all unlocked, but they are not on air because this site is currently locked because those, as you can see from the alarms, there is this replaceable unit, the alarm and no connection. Replaceable unit, okay, is that we cannot, there is no communication between the BB and the and the RRUs. So guys, that is it for today. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.